Did you know that certain herbal teas can actually lower your cortisol levels? That's right. Drinking tea isn't just a cozy ritual, it can seriously help you chill out. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal tea gardens, specifically for stress relief. With more people looking for natural ways to unwind in 2024, growing your own herbal tea garden is becoming super popular. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about stress. It seems like everyone is feeling the pressure these days, right? Work, relationships, life in general, it can all pile up. A lot of folks are on the hunt for natural remedies to help them cope. That's where herbal tea comes in. Instead of reaching for that sugary snack or scrolling endlessly on your phone, why not consider growing herbs that can help you relax? Tea has been used for centuries to soothe anxious minds, and now more than ever, people want to take control of their stress levels with something that's easy and rewarding. Now, let's explore some awesome herbs that you can grow for your tea garden. First up is chamomile. This little flower is well known for its calming effects and is perfect for winding down after a long day. Next, we have peppermint. Not only does it taste delicious, but it's also great for relieving tension headaches and digestive issues, which can be stress-related. And don't forget about lemon balm. This herb has a light, refreshing flavor and is known to reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm. Each of these herbs can easily be grown in your backyard or even in pots on your balcony. Imagine stepping outside, snipping some fresh herbs, and brewing a cup of your very own stress relief tea. Okay, let's get our hands a little dirty. I'm going to show you how to plant chamomile. Grab some seeds, a pot, and some good potting soil. First, fill your pot with soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Next, sprinkle the chamomile seeds on the surface and gently press them down. Give them a little water, but don't drown them. Place the pot in a sunny spot and keep the soil moist. In just a few weeks, you'll see those lovely little green sprouts popping up. Caring for your herbs is super easy, and watching them grow is incredibly rewarding. Plus, you'll be one step closer to brewing your own calming cup of chamomile tea. So, to wrap it up, growing your own herbal tea garden can be a fantastic way to manage stress. Not only do you get to enjoy the benefits of fresh herbs, but you also create a little sanctuary for yourself. Just think about it. Every time you sip on your homemade herbal tea, you're nurturing your mind and body. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite herbs for tea? Have you tried growing any yourself? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more gardening tips, don't forget to check out my other videos. Happy gardening, everyone!